Okay, hello everybody. I'm going to show you today how to build a notch in 4x4s using a table saw. Probably most of the videos you've seen are using a circular saw, but it actually could be pretty efficient using a table saw. So first let me show you this workbench that I built for my table saw. This was on Anna White's website, and this was about $50 worth of material. As you can see, I got a bench down here for some tools, and this is just one piece of wood here. This took about 2 hours to build. So what I'm doing over here, if you want to take a look, is I've already put most of my notches in, and I've just made the width of the height of the table saw about 1.5 inches, which 1.5 inches is basically the width of a 2x4 that I'll ultimately put in there. So I'm going to put on some ear protection now. So I have my fence there, and again, this is the last cut, and the way I have made it so it's safe is I use a clamp to clamp the wood, and this way I could also do 2 pieces at a time. I'm cutting 2 pieces at a time. So just simply turn it on. This is the only disadvantage, is that you have to keep resetting your fence every time you do it. But see, I have all my notches here. Just put this in like this. Take a hammer, just there you have it. So my notches come out. I rushed a little bit, but I'll basically use a chisel to get the rest of those little pieces out. And in the end, it'll look like that. Thanks for watching.